my class. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today we will discuss a chapter from English 1, and the name of the chapter is Variety Entertainment, chapter 4. So you may open your textbooks and turn to page number 48. Are you ready? Okay. So let's begin our class. Variety entertainment. So what do you mean by variety? Variety means of many kinds. Yes. So that means from the name of the story itself, we can guess that there will be entertainment of various types in the story. Yes, we will get to know about entertainment of various types. So, in this story, you will be reading about a few students and a program which will be organized by those students and how well they perform in front of the audience and how well they organize the program. Okay, so let's begin now. 3 weeks before the end of the term, Mr. Kumar called the class together. Now, quieten down children and listen carefully, he said. I have an important announcement to make. So, 3 weeks, just 3 weeks before the end of the term, means just 3 weeks before the end of the exam, Mr. Kumar, who was the class teacher, who was the teacher of the students, he called all the students together, and he announced that students, be quiet and listen carefully. I have an important announcement for you all. The children of class 4 crowded around the teacher. The children of which class? Class 4. The children of class 4, they crowded around the teacher, means they came together and stood around the teacher. They were very excited to listen what was the announcement about. He's going to scold us, whispered Dilip. Dilip is whispering, he's going to scold us. I doubt it, said Pradeep. Pradeep is saying, no, I doubt, I have a doubt. I don't think he's going to scold us. I think it's good news rather than bad news, suggested Manju. Now Manju, one of the students, she suggested that I think it's a good news rather than bad news. How do you know? Asked Pratap, sorry. So Pratap was asking now, how do you know? The shortest boy in the class. Pratap was the shortest boy in the class. How do you know? Pratap, the shortest boy of the class, asked Manju. Who asked? Pratap asked. To whom? Manju. Yes. When Manju said that, I think it's a good news rather than bad news, Pratap asked, how do you know? And what do we know about, what do we come to know about Pratap? That we come to know that Pratap was the shortest boy in the class. Who was the shortest boy in the class? Pratap was the shortest boy in the class. Yes. He's smiling, said Manju. If it was a bad news, he wouldn't be smiling, would he? So now Manju is explaining how she knew that Sir was not going to announce any kind of bad news. She told that, look, Sir is smiling. If it would be a bad news, then he wouldn't be smiling, would he? Said Mr. Kumar loudly and glowered at the talkers. Said loudly, the teacher, Mr. Kumar, he made this sound very loudly and glowered at the talkers. Means he looked with big eyes to those who were talking, those who were whispering in the class. Okay. Manju smiled like an angel now. Manju, she's smiled like an angel now. Pratap pretended to be thinking. Pratap was pretending to be thinking something. He pretended as if he was thinking something. And Dilip suddenly became interested in something that had become caught in his sleeve. And Dilip suddenly, what happened when sir told, then suddenly Manju started smiling like an angel. Pratap pretended as if he was thinking something, and Dilip, his attention was towards something which became caught in his sleeve. Sleeve means, yes, this one, which comes towards, yes, till your arms. This is called sleeve. His attention was towards the sleeve, and something that was caught in his sleeve. Whose? Dilip's. Very good. Pradeep whispered to the others. He looks as if he is about to explode. Means Pradeep was whispering to others. Hey, listen, I think he looks as if he was going to burst out in anger. When the children were quiet, Mr. Kumar announced. Now, when the children were quiet, Mr. Kumar began his announcement. The announcement was like this. In a couple of weeks, there is to be a variety entertainment in the large hall. Now, what did Mr. Kumar announce? Mr. Kumar announced that in a couple of days, means within few days, there was going to be a large, variety entertainment in the large hall. There was going to be a variety entertainment in the large hall of the school. Great! Shouted Pratap excitedly. Now, after hearing this, when all of them heard that there was going to be a variety entertainment in this hall, means in the school, Pratap shouted loudly. He was very excited. He shouted, "Great! I like entertainments and magic shows." And Pratap said, "I like entertainments and magic shows," and he couldn't say any word. Mr. Kumar stared at him as with a look that would kill, so he stopped talking. As soon as Pratap shouted, "Great! I love entertainments and magic shows," and Mr. Kumar looked at him as if it would kill him, and Pratap couldn't say a single word. He was silent now. As I was saying before, I was interrupted, continued Mr. Kumar. Now, Mr. Kumar was saying, as I was saying before I was interrupted, the headmaster wants class 4 to provide this year's entertainment. You will all have to think hard about what you are going to do for the show. Now, Mr. Kumar said that it was the order of the headmaster for the students of class 4 to arrange the program and do the needful. Whatever things were necessary for the program, everything the students of class 4 have to arrange. Yes, this Mr. Kumar announced to the class. The next day, Mr. Kumar asked the children what they had planned. One by one told him their ideas. Next day when he came back to the class, Mr. Kumar, their teacher, he asked the students one by one what they were going to do for the program. Now, one by one the students came and they shared their ideas with the teacher. Padma was going to do a dance. Jitu was going to tell some jokes. Jitu, one of the students, he was going to tell some jokes in the program. Manju and Rekha were going to do a meme. It means a mimicry. Yes, mimicry. So here one by one we are getting to know the names of the students. Yes. First is Padma, who was going to do a dance. Next is Jitu, who was going to tell some jokes. And Manju and Rekha were going to do a mimicry, a kind of mimicry. Nikhil, Pradeep and Anjan were going to sing a pop song. Now Nikhil, Anjan and Pradeep, three of them were going to sing a pop song. Yes. Arun was going to read a poem. Arun, one of the students, he was going to read a poem. Mukesh, Sitwat and Veda were going to do a shadow play. Ujjwal and Veda, they all three were going to do a shadow play. Yes. They all had ideas of what they wanted to do. Only Pratap remained silent. Pratap did not say any word. He was silent. All the other students had ideas of what they were going to do in the program, but except Pratap, he was silent. He didn't speak a single word. And what are you going to do, Pratap? Asked Mr. Kumar. Mr. Kumar, the teacher, asked Pratap, Pratap, what are you going to do? I shall do some magic, replied Pratap. But Pratap replied, Sir, I shall do some magic. I hope you know some good tricks, warned Mr. Kumar. Don't get up there and make a fool of yourself, boy. Mr. Kumar warned Pratap. He said that, I hope you know some good tricks. Now go, don't get up on the stage and make a fool of yourself and let others laugh at you. I will think of something, said Pratap softly. Pratap also replied very softly. He said, Sir, it's okay, sir. I will think of something good. This much for today. Mark the portion which we have discussed today. Today, up to this much we have discussed that I will think of something, said Pratap softly. You mark up to this, and next day we shall continue with the rest of the chapter. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.